Why do some Power BI reports feel like they weigh a ton? Let's find out. Understanding report size in Power BI goes beyond just megabytes. When someone asks about report size, they could mean file size, data complexity, or even performance. First up, it's the PBIX file stored locally or in Power BI service. These typically range from 50 to 200 MB depending on your dataset and visuals. Next, consider the A complex report might have 10 pages and over 50 visuals, including charts and slices. Also matters. Handling datasets of over 10 million rows is no joke. And don't forget, we use aggregations, essential columns only, and incremental refresh to keep things snappy. And in Power BI service can also impact performance. So next time, tailor your answer based on what aspect of size they're curious about. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more Power BI tips, and share your thoughts below. Happy reporting.